Hey everybody, it's Scott and Adam with the Knowles Woolsey team at RE/MAX Hallmark J, and today we're at our newest listing, 51 Brookfield Crescent in the heart of the Kingsridge neighborhood. Now we all know and love Kingsridge, but let's talk about why. It starts with the school district, Algonquin Ridge, 2-minute walk up the road, Wilkins Beach, 10-minute walk up the road. We're surrounded by hiking, biking, and walking trails, plus all the amenities you could ever want. Now if you're an empty nester thinking about downsizing into a bungalow, we've got the one for you today.
That's right, guys. This home here presents a tremendous opportunity to get into an outstanding neighborhood. We have an all brick ranch bungalow sitting on a massive 60 by 110 foot lot. And this one has been lovingly maintained with recent updates to the roof and furnace, as well as a completely unfinished lower level, ready for your finishing touches. Let's get inside and have a look at our newest listing.
With 1,600 square feet all on one level, you're gonna absolutely love the configuration of this home. 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, main floor laundry, direct access to the garage. You're gonna love the layout exactly as it is. But if you wanna put that renovator hat on, the possibilities are absolutely endless here.
And let's talk about those possibilities. You have a fantastic eat-in kitchen here with direct access to the backyard. But if it's me and I'm putting my renovator's hat on, I'm taking this wall out completely, making it open concept to the living space, the perfect place for entertaining.
And not to worry, all the space is not secluded to the main living area. Check out the size of this master bedroom. Easily get a king-size bed and all the furnishings in here. 4-piece ensuite plus a huge walk-in closet.
What you didn't get to see in the video, guys, is the completely unfinished lower level. The beautiful part about bungalows is that all the square footage you have upstairs, you pick that up again. And this one has a tremendous amount of space in the lower, perfect for 2 additional bedrooms, another bathroom, and a gigantic rec room.
That's right, so whether you want to love this home in its existing state right now, put your own touch through renovation on it, the one thing we can guarantee is that you're going to absolutely love this neighborhood. It is second to none, and they just don't come up like this very often. So for more information on this listing and others, check out our website.